Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a powerful and impressive whale shark. Let's begin the drawing. The whale shark is the largest fish in the ocean, easily recognized by its massive body and distinctive white spots across its skin. Despite its enormous size, the whale shark is very gentle and poses no danger to humans. It mainly feeds on plankton, small fish, and shrimp by filtering food through its wide mouth. Whale sharks usually swim slowly in warm waters and are sometimes seen near the ocean surface. When drawing a whale shark, the dotted patterns and large body help make the artwork look lively, easy to recognize, and very enjoyable to color. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we've finished drawing and coloring the whale shark. It looks powerful and impressive, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.